Hi guys, welcome back. Today's gonna be another vlog and we are gonna be tackling my very messy yarn shelf. So we are moving on Saturday. Today's Tuesday, and Eli's already packed a lot of stuff. It's all in the hallway. I'll show you in a sec. And then let's tackle my yarn shelf using these boxes that we had downstairs under the house. So let's get started. These are very small. I feel like I need bigger boxes. My dad has this really nice tape. Alicia, you want to be in my vlog? Come here, say hi. Pretty good. I feel safe about that. Looks kind of small for my yarn shelf, but let's get started. I'm going to time lapse and put on some lo-fi and let's get this thing done. This is the mess I have. And if you think this is all of my yarn, you are way off. There's way more yarn under the house. But like, I think that's every crafter. We all have way too much yarn and we always continue buying more yarn. I actually haven't bought a new yarn for a while, so pretty proud of myself. So let's put this away. Look at this huge Barbie bag that I made when the movie Barbie came out. I'm definitely gonna put some yarn in this big boy because that will fit actually a lot. Maybe I'll put actually this big yarn in there because it's so huge. All right, let's keep going. I am so distracted. Yay, Eli's helping me. I've convinced him. Woo woo! I'll buy you food.
I'll buy you food.
Progress. This one's still available, and okay, this one's the original. Look how huge it is. Like, it's not good for your helmet because it just like moves very
did you make this for Noah?
Easily. Actually, that was for my mom, but I'm gonna remake it.
Yeah, she's got a bigger head than
And
her.
then this one, the measurements were really bad, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it.
Yeah.
Something.
That's how.
That was a long time ago, okay? I don't make hats like that anymore. I have a Sentra.
Do you guys want this for your little ones? Definitely a fit.
It was for my mom.
Oh
yeah, I was trying to make a city. Can you guys see a city? I don't know what I was.
Was it supposed to be a scarf?
No, it was actually supposed to be a shirt for you.
Oh.
It was one of those like shirts. But I'm sorry, I was making it in Mexico, but we were having too much fun.
This is a dope color.
Yeah, I already made him one, the guy. I think that's the rough draft. We actually ended up doing like 7 different ones. Okay, this is the worst part, the bottom. Look at this, like.
I vote for all of it to be going to trash.
Do you hear this, man? People are gonna boo you because.
I meant like
people
trash in a good
you.
trash. Where it gets,
I have a lot of like flowers that I did, but people chose to do different ones. So I need to like make a top or something out of it, or a dress.
Ooh, what is this
like
one?
Different
I
flowers.
like the color of this.
Oh, this is for you.
Bro, you started so much
needle.
things.
There's a needle. Be careful in there. There should be a needle attached to it.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Why you start stuff and not finish my stuff?
Dude, because this
How
takes
come everyone
forever.
gets priority?
This is the Goku because you're free. Other people actually like pay my bills. This is for Goku for Eli.
I pay the bills sometimes.
Yeah, but this is gonna take me like, and also my iPad is constantly getting used by my toddler. Not a good thing.
Oh yeah.
Also, this other cardigan I started for Eli. This was his back piece. Because yeah.
Give up on.
One day I'll finish it, babe. I was almost actually done. I think I did like 2 of these. I almost undid one of them because I needed some yarn for one of the hoods.
Oh.
But I think I did.
Yeah, that's savage.
But I didn't, hey. Okay, we need more boxes. 2 boxes already filled. We're not even close to getting this done.
I told you.
Well, I didn't know it was gonna be like that.
That's a nice winter color.
It.
What's up, dog? What you up to,
What's
honey?
up, Nolan? Come join us. Come say hi.
Hi.
I don't think they saw your wave. Why
No, a pole.
There he goes. He hasn't hit puberty yet.
small.
This is what we've done so far. Don't count that. We need more boxes because I still have all that mess. And there's still yarn under the house, but at least that yarn is in big containers. So that makes me feel better. So Eli has to go under the crawl space where, you know, you can hit your head pretty bad. And get all the stuff out. He did a lot of work yesterday. So this is some of the stuff. Sorry, Mom. Yeah, we did. That's our bed. Shoe stuff. I think sheets, clothes here. And this is the other stuff. My puzzles, our bed, kitchen stuff like knives away from Nolan. Baby stuff. Yeah. Feeling very accomplished, even though I haven't finished my yarn shelf. So hopefully throughout the day I will finish it. So let's keep going. I just ate some delicious rice and meat and made up this big Amazon box that we saved for moving. So now let's keep going. Let's get this done. Last box. Look at the shelf looking empty. Oh, actually there's yarn right there. But in the top, but ignore that. The shelves are empty. Okay, focus on the positive. Bye, my yarn. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. We finally arrived and we moved everything to the 3rd floor. If you guys want to see our new place, let me know down below in the comments and I'll make another vlog showing when I do put everything away in its own special place. Thank you guys. Have a great day. See you next time.